Isama.
I remember where I put the number. Tingnan mo dyan, sa bag niya. Yeah, let me use the bathroom closer.
I leave it soon. Yeah? Yeah?
Huh?
Leaving soon.
Itong bag na itong black.
Uh-oh, sneezing. Bless you.
Yan. Baby, check ko na. Gusto ko na nalagyan ng gatas ng baby mo. Ako, ako nag-breastfeed ako eh. Mas maganda ka lang lalagyan ng gatas ng baby mo eh.
What was it?
Sabi niya, hindi na naman lagay ng milk ng baby mo kasi magandang bote. Kanya kasi ako nagbe-breastfeed ako. Tapos sabi nung guy, mas maganda pala ang lagay ng milk mo eh.
Oh, yeah. That's what I was thinking. Hey!
Tawagan mo na lang si Mama.
Make it look like a teddy bear.
Nalagay mo pa ba?
Oh, look at your bunny ears. Or teddy bear ears. Yeah.
Maganda pala niya. Ilagay mo to yung tape ko pala na inalis mo.
Okay. Hold on, 1 minute.
Magsalita ka, anak. Ano? Happy New Year. Happy New Year to you. Champagne, champagne. Champagne. Nagriring niya.
Say something, say something funny.
Say something funny, Patty Bird. Ta-da-da.